sharpening shouldn't feel like guesswork. That's why we built Oakstone. And here's how to use your rolling knife sharpener, step by step. Start with your magnetic angle guide, the knife you're bringing back to life, and your Oakstone roller. Choose your angle, 20 degrees for everyday kitchen, and outdoor knives, 15 degrees for finer steels, like Damascus or carbon blades. Hold the guide steady with one hand. With the other, snap the knife on, edge facing up, blade flush with the bench. Begin with a diamond disc. Roll gently back and forth along the edge. And don't forget the tip. This is where your edge is rebuilt. Diamond abrasives grind with precision, restoring the right angle and removing damage fast. Now switch to the ceramic disc. This smooths and hones the edge, removing burrs and finishing the blade to a near mirror polish. It's the difference between kind of sharp and razor sharp. Flip the knife, snap it back in, and repeat. Diamond first, then ceramic. Run your thumb gently across the edge. Still feel a burr? A few extra rolls should clean it up. Then give the blade a quick wipe, and you're done. The first time you sharpen may take 5 to 6 minutes. After that, just 1 minute here and there to keep your edge razor ready. For smaller knives or pocket blades, raise them slightly above the pad and keep your strokes light. For tall blades like cleavers, elevate the sharpener with a chopping board to keep your knife flush with the bench. No tech, no mess, no guesswork. Just sharp knives and sharper confidence.
Ready to turn your edge?
Welcome to Oakstone.